What I wish I knew about Cyclone Olivia before today. On April 10, 1996, Cyclone Olivia unleashed the strongest wind gust ever recorded on Earth. A jaw-dropping 253 miles per hour. Or for our metric friends, a staggering 407 kilometers per hour. Where? Barrow Island, Western Australia. A Category 4 beast, Cyclone Olivia's gusts were more intense than most tornadoes. The previous record? 231 miles per hour at Mount Washington, USA way back in 1934. Olivia shattered that. Imagine winds so fierce they could snap trees, flip cars, and demolish buildings in seconds. Cyclones, hurricanes, tornadoes, they all pack a punch. But Cyclone Olivia, she holds the crown for the strongest gust ever. So next time you think it's windy, remember Cyclone Olivia. 253 miles per hour, the ultimate wind warrior.